Maligayang bati para sa iyo sa araw ng Pasko. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the heart. Thank you, heart. Thank you so much. Hi, good morning, Cheryl there. Hi, Chester Hexon. Thank you so much for joining me. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. Morning, Rodrigo. How are you there? I'm fine. Good morning. I want coffee. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you so much. Pass. Pass. Ano yun?
Ini ulan pang pulis.
Ano yun?
Ha?
Pass.
Playo.
Pass muna kami.
Okay.
Salamat. Wow, coffee delicious. Oh, yeah. Someone sell the fish. I said pass. I'm poor now. Oh my god. No money. No honey. Kelly Wilmer. Hi, Kelly Wilmer. Hi, guys. Good morning, Cheryl. I'm fine. Good evening to you there, guys. How are you? Thank you so much, heart. No coffee, Milo for today. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you, German Gomez. Hi, German Gomez. To click on screen, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for the heart. Thank you for the likes. You are a little girl, sure. I'm a little girl. Thank you, 11 people here now. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the heart. Oh my god, so many hearts. Thank you for the heart. Mosquito. Yeah, because mosquito. Get the get the money your sister owes you from Thank you for 7 likes. 7 people. I know she is not paying her back. Oh my god. Again? Tell her to pay her as she owes us by Friday. We gave her enough time. Thank you, 11 people. Thank you for 16 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Sonaga Heart. Chris Rod. Hi, hello, good morning. Hi, where from? Chris Rod. Australia. Hi, Chris Rod from Australia. Welcome to my live streaming. Thank you so much for joining here. Nice to meet you from Philippines. Chris Rod from Australia. You're welcome. Nice to meet you also. Thank you. Winnie here. Winnie nandito. How's your day going? Any plans today? Today, having a work afternoon here. I'm going to work. Yep. Thank you for the 18 million here. Thank you for eating, people. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, nice. Wow. The wind is coming down. The wind is coming down, down, down. The wind is coming down. It's falling. So, thank you for the heart. Please give the heart. Lots of heart. Wish it would rain here. Ah, why? No, it's sunny. Sunny there, somewhere. Probably that love life guy. Love life guy. So hot. Ah, so hot there. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. He means you're hot. Ah, he means I'm hot. Really? Thanks, Joe. I'm in easy. What easy? What easy means is what? Air conditioning. Ah, okay. Sorry. We have no AC here. Just electric fan. Just the fan. We're poor here, so no aircon. Not enough money to buy electric bills. Oh my gosh. Thank you for 22 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the heart. Thank you to those who give the heart. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. So electricity at all. Yep. No. No. Yeah, because air condition is using electricity. She has electricity. Yeah, but no aircon. We have electricity, but I mean no aircon, just electricity, just a fan. We're using fan here, electric fan. Ah, okay. She just doesn't know how to save. Thank you for 33 people here. Thank you so much. She gets enough money. Someday she will figure it out. $32 people. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. Oh my God, 14 people here. So thank you so much. Hi guys. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the likes. I know that you are. Guys, hit the like button, double tap your screen. It helps her get monetized faster. Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you for 36 million here now. I'm on a day from work. Okay, you working? What is your workers? Right. What are they of? Day off. What is your work? I build parts. Parts. Construction worker. Engineer. Architect. Quest like the playgrounds. Sort. Well, sort. Hello po ate na maganda. God bless po. Dave Nakpel. Hi Dave Nakpel. Thank you. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for joining here. Thank you a lot. Thank you, 25 people. Thank you so much. Dave, English, please. Thank you, 27 people. Thank you po. Pwede pa shoutout po sa mga taga-kanto. Tinius Street ng Makati. Salamat po. Hi! Shoutout sa mga taga-Cantos Tinius Street ng Makati. Salamat po. Shoutout to you, Cantos Senior Street ng Makati. Thank you so much sa nanonood sa mga taga-Cantos Senior Street ng Makati. Shoutout to you guys from Dave Nakpil. Zane Alia Manslor. Zane. Hi, Zane. Nahirap bigas eh. Sa mga taga Makati, shout out to you from Dave Nakpil. Thank you, 26 people here. Thank you so much. Nakangalay. Oh my God. Oh. Hi. Know that you want from me. Come on, guys. Give a like. A like. So much. Ba yan? Thank you so much for watching Ethan people here. Thank you, Sonaga Heart. I heart you, party. I love you, baby. Oh my Lord, I love you. Love you, baby.
Go, 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 go.
Arte mo naman, baby. Anong inarte ko? Oh my God, anong inarte ko? Ito. Rod Hermosa. English. English, please. Arnolfo Adriatico. Pa-shoutout naman, crush from Pangasinan. Arnolfo Adriatico, shoutout to you from Pangasinan. Pangasinan. Thank you for watching. Wish sana pagatu ka sa hi. Ron Huda. Ron Huda. Oh. Ron Roda, hello. Thank you for the likes. Di ko inagalang doon pala nagsimula. Love story hindi inasa. Pala sa isa't isa magkahawag ang mga kamay sa hirap. Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Rod Hermoso, kagising mo lang yata. Shower ka na muna para di ka na antokin. I watching from Washington State. Washington State cell. What cell? Israel. Washington. English Rod. Yes, Rod. Yes. Just wake up and doing live. Oh. Thank you for thank you for the hearts. To those give the hearts. Thank you so much. Arte. Oh my God. Di ko inakala doon pala nagsimula. Love story hindi inaasahan. Tayo pa sa isa't isa. Ang mga kamay dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Someday I'll find someone who really loves me. From where are you? I'm Pinay, also like you. Ah, okay. I'm from Philippines. Bicolana. Bicol. Thank you for the like. You think you starting all over again. Bicol Express is good, yeah. Pineapple Express. Thank you so much for 9 people here. Thank a lot. 38 people watching. Thank you so much for watching. 38 million here now. 46 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the heart. I love you all. Appreciable. Thank you so much. The likes for watching. 46 people. The heart. The ngarit. Thank you so much. Lods. Gilgal. Coran. Gilgal. Hi. Pansinin mo ko. So, anong sasabihin? Hi, Gilgal Coran. Ayan, napansin na kita. Dalaga ka? No. I'm not dalaga. Hello, kabayan. Hi, GC Mathan Zumba. Hello po, may asawa. Not yet. Wala pa. Pero dala na. Wala pang asawa pero dala na. Hello po, kabayan. Hello. GC Matang Zumba 5378. Kompleto do. Wala naman masama. Ang alin? Sa pagiging dala na. Natitigan ka. Kalimutan mo na yan. Sige, maglibang. Huwag kang pagkahibang. Grabe. So, ako'y napapakamo. Ganda mo, ewe. Ang sabi. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Thank you so much for the likes. Bonjour, Dominic Duez. Magaling sumayaw. No? Hindi. Alwin G. Padwag. Ano ba yan, Alvin? Tagasan ka ba? Bicol. Bicolana. From Bicol. Whatever we do, series. Whatever will be. I am France and you? I am from Philippines. Thank you for watching. Dominic Torres from France. May property ako dyan na spotting malapit ko. Okay. Bicol din ako. Saan sa Bicol? Thank you for 21 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. "27 people. Magaling ka siguro, Lord. Saan? Gua Kamsor. Malayo dito sa amin yung Gua Kamsor. I like you, very cool. Thank you, Dominic Tuwes. Tuwes. Tuwes, 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 Tuwes. Thank you so much for 28 people. Thank you to those who gave the hearts. Thank you so much. 1 to 10 loads, gaano kagaling? I'm in the middle. Siguro 5. Hindi ako magaling. Sakto lang. Thank you so much. Haha. Yes, 5. Do it, do it, do it. Thank you for the likes, everyone here. Bakit 10? Siguro. Walang paltos. Ikaw, saan ka sa Bicol? I love you. Sebastião Carvalho. Hello. Ikaw bahala sa 5. Ako na bahala sa 5. Yo. Feel English. You can English. Speak English. Dominic. Bye-bye. Gail. Speak English. Thank you to those who give the hearts. Thank you so much. Dito na ako nakatira sa kondo. Okay, tayo ka ng bullets. Bakit? Why you need to see me? But why? What happened? Wala, sayaw ko yun. Pinapractice ko. Mine. Ano yung gamit? Mine. All in English. Can you speak, everyone here? Can you speak English? Thank you so much. Pinagruto ka. Yung kape. The coffee is getting cold. Malamig na ang kape. Charap, 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 charap. Charap, 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 charap. Thank you, my team. Anong name mo? Cheryl. My name is Cheryl. Maximo Bagnas. My name is Cheryl. Luis Gustavo Sarzuaki. What it means? Gustavo. Luis Gustavo. Gustavo. Luis Gustavo. Come to America with me. Ginario. 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 How to pronounce it? Ginario Zaza. Ginario. Do you have a passport? No? Not yet. Not yet passport. But why I need to go to America? America. He'll speak English or kick you out for 24 hours. May asawa ka na. Wala pa. Pero hindi na available. I'm not available. Next, Cebu Bigness. Okay. Thank you. Come to America next month. Why? Why should I go there in America next month? It's a December. Luis, Gustavo, what do you mean? Kanya, she has already come to you and say, yes, I'm already coming. I like you. So what? So like I don't know you. Hinayo. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. I live in Columbus, Ohio. Okay, nice to meet you, Ginario. Thank you for joining here, my live streaming here on YouTube. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you're joining here. 20:42 p.m. now here in my city. Oh wow. Ronaldo. Hi, Ronaldo. Baptista. Hello. I'm from Philippines. Thank you for 54 million here now. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Ronaldo Brazil. Ronaldo Baptista from Brazil. Welcome. Shout out to you, Ronaldo from Brazil. Hello, are you Pinoy? Yes, I'm Pinoy. Juwiwa born. Juwiwa born. I'm Pinoy, yes. Anong bansa mo, girl? I'm from Philippines. Thank you so much, Ray Martinson. Jen going to Texas, not Ohio. Yeah. What time is there? Time here now? Oh, 8:43 in the morning. Where from? I'm from Philippines. Very, very beautiful guy. Thank you, Ivan Bobek. Thank you so much for joining here my live. How about TP with me? I'm from Loa, the heart of the United States. Wow. Nice to meet you. Juwiwa Barn. Oh my god. Ronaldo, where are you from? Brazil. Ronaldo. Me, I'm from Philippines. Ronaldo from Brazil. Okay, cool. Now you're not a chance. I'm from Jamaica. Okay, nice to meet you, Ofarno Token from Jamaica. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Do you have a husband? Not yet. No. But I'm not sick. I'm not single. I'm single. Iowa. Pronounced Iowa. Okay. Iowa. Iowa. Sorry. Iowa. My fiance is from Elegant City. Oh, wow. That's great. Oh my God. Nice to meet you guys. That's great. Oh. Hello po. Marunong po ba kayo gumawa ng paradong ano ba yan? Oh my God. Anong province mo, girl? Bicol, Martinson. I'm from Bicol. How old is you? I'm 40 years old. 40. Hello, single, ready to mingle? No, I'm not single, Donnie. No. How are you, Donnie? Philippine. Yeah, something beautiful. You. Thank you, Ronaldo. Nico. Hi, Nico. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes. One thing I know about having a Filipino wife is Christ is life. Christ is life. Thank you. Nice to meet you guys here. You beautiful. Thank you, Ronaldo. Sure, I think that's a different Donnie, not sure. Okay. So you're not single? Okay. No, I'm not single, yes. Different Donnie. I'm not single, Donnie. You know it. Sorry, I'm not single. No, Donnie, she's not. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for the likes. It changes a lot. It changes a lot. Why? Why it changes a lot? Why did it change? Oh my God. It's okay. Oh my God. For you not here. I seen the chat has not changed. Not changed. So you're the same, darling. You know she's not single. The chat. What do you mean? Some guys just don't get it. Boa noite, Linda. Boa noite, Linda. 37 people here. Peace Wild to Galaxy. A pretty madam, very attractive. The other day, someone asked and said it was because our breakup for a while. You must have been fighting with Delmo. Yeah. At that moment, our breakup, maybe in 2 days, 1 day, something like that. Yes, that's why when I do live, and he already say that. Yeah, I remember. Also, Tim say that I'm single on my life, but no, I'm not single. I'm not single now. I like spread ultimate toast. Me toast. I am from Brazil. DG Boroca, hello. Ali Marks. Hi, Ali Marks from Brazil. Thank you so much from Brazil, Ali Marks. 45 people. Thank you so much. And 16 likes. Hello. It's delightful to see you coming up. I stand in Lucas. It's Nalaiba. And I thank you for the likes. I downloaded Ria and I am going to do to open a bank account in the next few days. I'm going to send you again. To send, are you going to send me again? Thank you so much, Donnie Carter. Hi, Shane Valera. Oh, it's having an out. We have an out. You have a great personality. Deji Baroka. Hello, Deji Baroka. Thank you so much. You don't have her real name, Danny. She will be monetized soon. Thank you so much for 41 people. I 38 people now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes. I'm curious, how do you put up with Delmo? What Delmo? Delmo? What it Delmo means? Sorry, I don't understand. I am going to sleep now, my love. Ginaria, thank you so much. Ginaria also, thank you so much from American. Stop calling me deep. What deep? What means deep? Delmo. What Delmo means? It's delightful to see me coming out. What are you talking about? I read the comments here, that's why. Ali Marks. I'm reading the comments section here on the live, that's why I'm talking about. Don't worry, he will be black. He will be black soon. Question. Do you boil the pig head first? Oh my god. I'm trying to meet for a lunch. Ah, yeah. You are my beautiful princess. Ginaria Salsa, thank you so much for joining here. Delma is in the house. You won my heart. Oh, stand. Oh my gosh. Do you know how to make Bololo Pinoy? Yeah, you're very beautiful. Ronaldo don't order rooms. Okay, because you are my family. So. Oh my god. Mm, 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 mm. Do you wanna be loved? Are you going to dance? I'm always dance. I will take your class for next month if you want. What? Oh my god, no. Pinoy is my weakness. Oh really? Hi Cheryl, what time is it? Hi Dr. Petrovich. 8:55 here in the morning. Dr. Petrovich. Joe. Ali Marx wants to come to Brazil. I want to see the chicken Cheryl, please. The chicken is from a neighbor here. There is nothing sexier than a woman with dark hair. Oh. My hair is not a dark now, but before my hair is dark. Now, little brown. Little brown. I want to come to Brazil. I like Brazil, but not possible to come there. Alright. Thank you, Doc. I will go to Philippines next week if they want. Oh my god. Do I know you? We're friends. Even friends, we're not friends. I just know you here. Just name. So maybe difficult to trust the people. So need to earn the trust first to meet someone. Do you know how to salsa dance? Not yet. I not yet salsa. Hey baby was wapo and you my baby. Latif Shakarat. Latif Shakarat. Where from? Jamaica just very good for you. Give a try. Okay, I will try a salsa dance. Ba, 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 ba. I think it's like a different dance. Do you work? Yeah, after live, I'm going to preparing for lunch, and after lunch, I'm going to work nasu naso month. Do you know Filipinas? I like the cousins of Filipinas. They're also occupied by Spain. Yeah. My family, our family, have a blood, uh, Spanish blood. My father have a blood Spain, like Spanish blood. What's up, baby? Latif, what's up, guys? You will never meet here in person. Thank you, my team. Yes, 300 years occupied. 300 years. Are you near Cebu or Manila or Banana? I'm near in Manila, than Cebu. Yeah, near in Manila. Taipo Batanes. Batanes. I will send you 7,000 $7,000. Where? It's a lot of money. Why you send me that much money? You dance beautifully. I would ever see very well, and you have a top figure. I have a husband and kids. I have a kids, but not yet a husband. But I'm not single. I'm taken. The money, please complete and send that much. Hi, my baby. New. Too much. $7,000. Lots of money. The guy offering 7,000 is a full of shit. Look. Yeah, I wonder. It's a lot of money. $7,000. Oh my god. He shows that. I want to help you. To help you for what? To help me to buy food. She has help already. Jamil just for love you. Latif Sharikat. Shakarat. Love moves and serious is always so. Over the rising, I love you. Jamia just for my number. Your number what? What do you mean? Someday. Hi, Binar. Binar. Sinasamba. Thank you for the 29 million here. Thank you for watching, everyone. I love you back. Kapag kapili ka, bawat sandali, pagkasira ka. Iniyak ang puso kong sumisigaw. One, send the 7,000 to my people. I will give it to her. And send the 7,000 to my people. I will give it to her. Oh my god. Oh, hi. Aray. Hello, baby. My baby was tiny. So what? My baby is tiny daw. Ay, nako. I will be in the Philippines on Monday. Do you want next? No. Francis, Johnny Palmera, Francisa Bosiidas, Filipinas. Huh? Alam mo bang Old Man Lives 50s? Hello, Old Man Lives. Are you married? I'm not married, but I'm not single. Old Man Life 50s. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you, Salah. Thank you for Salamat. She already answered that question. How are you? I'm fine. How about you, Old Man Lives 50s? Me, I'm fine. The weather here is mixed, rainy, sunny, rainy, sunny. Now sunny. And past few minutes it's raining. Now sunny. Maybe in the next minutes or hours going to raining. Doing well, thank you. Goodbye. So goodbye, Genario. Take care. Thank you for joining me. Guys, she's not married, but she's taken. She's not single. You have a weak man or boy. Native, what do you mean? Thank you for the likes and thank you for watching everyone. Is Hot Jackie your man? Yes. She's from America. She's American. Do you want to embed a real woman? Huh? What? 20 people. Thank you for the likes. 30 million here now. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hearts. 38 people watching. Thank you so much. Native, she is okay. Hello, my sweet baby. Good morning. Lens Silayaps. Thank you for the 21 likes. Thank you for Swins half a million. Wish you the best, man. Thank you, the old man life 60s. Thank you so much. We're not yet met, but I'm hoping we're getting is she called? Thank you. So hot. So hot. Forget your dreams of a young boy as your lover. Hmm? Thank you, 35 people watching here. Thank you so much. Baby, please come with me. I really want to meet you. What? Where? Hmm. That one? Oh my god. Hmm. Kabang binibini na ninanais ko. Binibini nakikita dalangin ko. Never lambs. Never, never. I'm getting pee. Oh my god. Cams, she's knocking. Lambs. Lambs, 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 laps, lambs, layap. Ay, buena noite. Rinivaldo de Salva. Hi. Sorry, don't leave me. I wish Are you drunk to save me? Baby, please show me your. Oh my god, it's so toxic on here now. You know, I don't like that people here. You know that. I'm. Wait lang. I need to pee. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you to for 2 Ang hirap magsalita. 22 million. Hi, si Kaya Silosa. That's I'm sorry. I know you've got the power to make me weak as I could me back. I need to end the live now. Bye. I love you all. I love you all. Bye. Thank you so much for joining here in the live. God bless. Bye-bye.